All right, we have made it to Friday. That's a win. And this weekend's going to be a win as well. So.
It was like a Game 7 win.
Yeah, had to pull it out at the end.
Jeez.
We went deep into the bench.
We were down 3-1.
This is why we lift all those weights. This is why we work out in the offseason.
There you go.
Got to finish strong.
Yeah, and it is going to be a pretty good weekend. I mean, it's not going to. It is going to disappoint. I have a feeling Monday morning's going to roll around, and people are going to be like, I thought it was supposed to be awesome this weekend. And it is going to disappoint a few because we've been talking it up so much, like it's going to be summer, like it's going to be sunny and hot and all that. And it's not going to be like that everywhere. So let's get into this, and I'll explain. First of all, we got some beneficial rain last night, which was real good. Needed it. Because we're not going to see a whole lot outside of some scattered thunderstorms through the weekend and early next week. Sanford picked up over 1/4 of an inch, Portland 1/4 of an inch, and you can see there was a little bit over 1/10 elsewhere. Now, that moisture has led to some areas of fog and some cloudiness too, and it's actually pretty misty out as well, so that'll slow you down a little bit for your commute. As we look at the weather map, the low is now well offshore, and we await this warm front and its passage, and it's not going to be a smooth passage with it. Won't get through us today. It will struggle tomorrow, and then we'll definitely be in the warm sector on Sunday. So I think Sunday is going to be the hottest of the stretch. A damp and dreary morning, though. The fog, the mist will hamper your commute a little bit. This is 9 a.m. We're still looking at some pretty solid cloud cover. And then the fog lifts, the clouds start burning off. We're peaking into sunshine by the middle of the day, and temperatures will also peak in the low 60s for the most part. And while the afternoon and early evening look bright and sunny, there'll be an onshore breeze, so that's going to add a little chill to the air. It'll be a little on the cool side, temperatures back off into the 50s. And the ocean clouds that burn back to the coast will spread back inland during the evening hours too, and will be socked in again overnight tonight. So that'll take some time to burn off tomorrow. So you get the drill here. Clouds and fog in the morning, burning off to some sunshine, and that's all a process. All right, temps today in Maine won't get much better than the mid-60s inland and around 60 for the coast. However, some areas up in the mountains and near the New Hampshire border, you've got a good chance of getting to 70. And then the state of New Hampshire and beyond will really be warming up, showing the cards there, the warm cards up around 80 out in the Connecticut Valley. Tomorrow, the warm front will be bisecting the state. Not quite through eastern Maine, sneaking through western Maine. So the warmest temperatures will be near the New Hampshire border. And then we're into the warm sector on Sunday with a cold front approaching for the evening hours. And this front will pass through Sunday evening with some strong thunderstorms, and that will usher in a drier and cooler air mass for the start of next week. It'll turn sunny on Monday, and it looks really good on Tuesday. Let's go over the temperatures this weekend. This is Saturday. Look how cool it's going to be down east. See what I'm saying? It's not going to be like summer in down east Maine this weekend. Bangor gets to 73, and it gets warmer as you go west. Freiburg hits 90. Berlin, New Hampshire hits 90. Concord, New Hampshire, 94. It'll be warm in Portland. In the afternoon, we are going to see a temperature spike, but probably just short of 80. And then as we hit Sunday, it warms up a lot more throughout the state. A little better down east, a lot better in Bangor, hitting 84. Hot for Waterville, Augusta, for Lewiston. Low 90s in the New Hampshire border area, down into York County. Portland coming up close to 80. So there's your weekend. Not awesome everywhere, but in most spots it will be. Small crafts are up, seas 2 to 3 feet, southeast winds 5 to 15 knots. It'll turn partly sunny, but you got to be patient for that sunshine today. Highs in the 60 to 65 degree range. Tomorrow we'll warm up in the afternoon. Again, when sunshine forms, we'll be around 80 degrees with some 70s along the coast. Pretty hot on Sunday. Humid too. Storms arrive in the evening, so the day is pretty much rain-free, and it'll be nice and summery. And then Monday we're cooling off and clearing out, 70 degrees. 60s for Tuesday and Wednesday, but lots of sunshine there. And as we wrap up next week, we'll likely see some rain. Probably on Thursday. We'll keep an eye on that as we get closer.
All right, another Thursday full of rain.
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
All right. Thank you, sir.